When you first enter on the left, it's the kitchen. Follow me. Hold on, let me turn the light. Boom. Got cabinets. The oven. Maybe chefing it up. Always say do not. Then you got the sink, your washer and dryer. Cabinets. They have cups and stuff in here. I done took over because that was very much corny. Give me 1 second. I don't know how to like. Okay, boom. This view number 1. Then you come out. And then ahead of you is the dining room and the living room. TV. The balcony. Very nice balcony. Right across from the beach. The beach is like literally over there. Nice view, a whole table. This is very much nice. You got a wine bottle? This is how you like open the blinds. Who you know got electric blinds? Then the wine bottle. On this side, it's the bedrooms. You have 2 bedrooms over here. Don't mind how I look. I guess that's how, like, the setup is really nice. Then it's the second bedroom. This one doesn't have a bathroom. Again, you do this. Y'all get the point. And then the bathroom is right here. It's a stand-up bathroom. Then you got the master bedroom. Very much nice. Long mirror. But this bathroom have a whole tub. That's what we like to see. Y'all know this dual. Oh, and they got the second toilet. This toilet, remember last time I was in Spain, I didn't know what it's for. This is to wash your butt or your coochie. I don't forgot. One of them. But yeah. This is the whole tour. Get into it. Complimentary wine bottle with the B&B.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Portugal. I don't do wines.